how to change your shop's location on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change your shop's location on Etsy. So let's get right into it. The first step is to sign in into Etsy.com. Once you're signed in and you're on your own page, the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see some icons which include favorite, updates, shop manager, your account, and then cart. Just go ahead and click on shop manager. Once you click on shop manager, you'll be taken to your shop's page. On this home page, you would see sales channels by the left side of the screen amongst the options displayed. Once you see the sales channels, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, select shop name. Alright, after selecting shop name, you would see a pencil icon next to your shop name. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to edit your shop name. And then once you've seen this, you'll be able to edit your shop name, location, etc. And then once you're on this page where you can edit all of this, choose to edit your location at the top under your shop title. Alright, and then as you begin typing your city, a list of suggestions will appear. Be sure to pick the right one from the list, and then just like that, that shop's location would be changed. And I want you to notice that if your exact location does not appear in the drop down menu, that is in the suggestions made to you, you can go ahead and choose the nearest city or town that does appear. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice